Alright, so the true party people, if you're in Japan, they have this thing called hepalese, which is like a drink that helps you not have a hangover or whatever. So you buy one of these for everybody in Japan know this hepalese premium. Right, so everybody buys one of these before they go to drink. Most Japanese people, to make sure, so them, no hangover the next day. So every night out in Japan, you start at the convenience. Regardless, if you get a strong zero or hepalese or a mint or whatever, because you know the night's will be turned. Or they do this one to the color. So one of them, just pick which one you like. So one thing I never fear is get something to eat before you get something to eat. Like make sure you don't drink an episode. That's rookie mistake. On the final leg before I get to Roppongi, this is the life of somebody who has to travel from outside of Chiba. From outside of Tokyo, sorry. And get to Roppongi. So if you have to travel on a train for over an hour to go to a party, that is the dilemma a lot of foreigners do face if they don't live in the immediate area of where the parties are being held. So Japanese trains run to like 12, maybe 1 in the metropolitan area, but outside your last train, if you live like an hour outside of Tokyo, like into Chiba or to Gunma, Saitama, Kanagawa, those areas, not Kanagawa not so much, but those areas the trains stop running much earlier. So people either get out to the area they want to be by 12, hang out and do stuff, then they take taxis or local trains up until like 12:30, 1 o'clock. So that is how you actually get around outside of place, yeah. And yeah, out to the station and heading to our food. The mix. Alright, so I'm outside RC right now, actually convenient. Pretty girls, Amapiano, straight from South Africa. Joburg? Is it Joburg?
Cape Town!
Cape Town.
Pretoria.
We're out here, we're gonna have a good time tonight, so make sure you check it out.
Yes, check it out, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah. Outside, it's a morning time. Morning. Outside the club, in the club, street empty. So after whatever club you go to, you usually go to a place called Ibex. Make it an itinerary so you guys know where to go when you come to Roppongi. Ibex, all right? Let's go party. Go, go. It's 6:18 in the morning. I'm going to Odeon for a little bit, and then I'm gonna head home. But right now, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari.
I'm here with
Oh no,
Yeah.
is he gonna film?
yeah, of course. Say it again. Say it again, 'cause I want to hear you.
What, Batu boy?
No, so first of all, let's if you like girls, that's not something you say to somebody like girls. So that's gay. You know that, right? Yeah.
I know.
So say the other thing you were saying earlier with your chest.
Oh, she's embarrassed.
All of a sudden, no.
Because he's gonna post this on his Instagram. He's a podcaster.
Yeah. So say something.
creator.
Say with your chest, friend. Oh. Love Kelly was à français, je parle français. Et j'ai n'importe quoi, comprends pas. Et pour qui?
Batu boy, bomba clap.
Wagwan, my brother.
Wagwan.
I did not teach these people any of that. They just came up with it on their own.
Facts.
It's the first time I've seen him mention. I know her. This is the first time I've seen you actually.
Yes, I'm visiting. Yes.
You're visiting from Morocco?
Do you know who she is?
I don't know who she is.
She's my sister.
It's a baby sister.
No, that's a lie. Because hold on, let me stop this video. Hi, Rich.
Soon as I hit the club, look at the mom's face. The pedal once make the floor shake. Sway inside, my engine roaring. It's the big boy, you know what I go for it. And I got the pedal to the metal. Got you niggas checking get them rolling out on every level. Hear them haters talk, but there's nothing you can tell them. Just made $1 million, another legend on my schedule. No love for them, nigga breaking hearts. No keys, push to start. Yeah.